Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine. And in today's video, I'll be showing you SeatGeek how to resell tickets. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to resell tickets on SeatGeek, the first step is to sign into SeatGeek. Simply head over and open up your SeatGeek application or sign in using a browser on the SeatGeek.com and sign in using the same email you used to buy the tickets. The next step is to open your tickets by simply tapping on the tickets icon on the bottom of your screen. Then inside, select the event and choose the tickets you want to resell. Note that ticket must be mobile or electronic and transferable. The next step is to tap on sell tickets. Simply tap on sell on the top left corner of the screen and SeatGeek will suggest a price. You can simply tap on the ticket and then select the sale option as well, and you can now accept the suggested price or enter your own resale price as well. Note that price slightly below similar listings to sell faster. The next step is to set up payout. Enter your bank account or PayPal details and confirm payout information, and you need to enter these before the listing goes live. The next step is to list your tickets. By simply reviewing the details and then tapping on the list tickets, your tickets are now live for resale. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.